Okay, YouTubers, this is a follow-up on the Eemax Tank Buddy. It's a hot water tank water booster, hot water tank heater booster. And I got it all installed, and as I said in my previous video, it's a little bit more complicated for my application, seeing that I have a hybrid hot water tank, connections all on the side, plus I have many other things involved with this. I have a water filtration system, I have a mixing valve, and then it goes through the unit, and it's not a straightforward connection. It was more complicated with my application, but I just want to point out how this works. If you notice, it tells you in and out, meaning the water that comes in, the temperature, and the out temperature. The temperature is low right now because I had it off for a while. No one's using water in the house, and it's pretty straightforward. You press the button here, and you can see, you turn it, and see the tank is on, meaning the main hot water tank, and this unit is off. If it was the other way around, it will tell you that the tank would be off and this will take over, and so forth. It tells you the flow, gallons per minute, and this is the power consumption, how hard it's working. It tells you how long this unit's been installed and being used. It's not active, it's not heating at the moment. The time, I guess, is also for the heating. And if you want to get into the setup, you just press the button and it tells you when you want this to activate, what temperature. So in fact, I don't want this to kick on until the temperature reading it senses is 100 degrees. Then it'll kick on. Then you turn the knob again, it tells you how high it can go to heat the water. And I think that's the max you can go, is 120, because that's for safety reasons. You don't want anyone getting burnt. And if you keep turning, you could put on vacation mode, economy mode, and tells you that's the version of the unit. And that's it. I'll pop back out, turn back where I was. That's my temperature reading right now because no one's using the water. It's not fully being used at the moment. But this should help me in my pursuit of getting more hot water to the rest of the house.